The 2012 Democratic Convention has entered the history books with a speech by President Barack Obama, a stirring speech for the people here in the hall. He launched a vigorous defense of his record. He launched several negative attacks against Mitt Romney, and he offered the delegates and the Democrats who are here a little bit of that old-time Obama religion of hope. All in all, the people who were in this hall received this speech. They were just electrified by it. They were raucous in their cheers, as you can imagine, explosive at times, laughed at the president. You could hear them yearning for his success. The real question, though, is how does this play outside the hall, in the country, with you? Because the president has some significant challenges ahead of him.
They still love him. Barack Obama may be struggling in the polls and fighting for his political life, but tonight, among the Democrats gathered here, any doubts or disappointments seem to disappear.
I'm Barack Obama. With the presidential debates going on at the moment, things are getting pretty hairy for me here in America. At times like this, I like to think of my good friends in Ireland.
You couldn't help but think what a difference 4 years have made.
Especially the Ailesbury Hair Clinic in Dublin. Joe Biden always says, "Gone today and hair tomorrow." God bless you all in Ireland, and remember to visit ailesburyhairclinic.com.
This is a political party that knows it will need every ounce of effort to re-elect Barack Obama. And that's why you saw former Congresswoman Gabby Giffords unite this hall in tears and cheers as she recited the Pledge of Allegiance.
I